What if I told you there's a coffee bean that naturally tastes like peaches, strawberries, and tropical fruit without adding a single flavor? Today you'll discover what pink bourbon coffee really is, why scientists were surprised by its genetics, and why coffee lovers are paying premium prices for it. Pink bourbon has become one of the most talked about coffees in specialty coffee. For years, growers believed it was simply a pink-colored version of the famous bourbon coffee variety. It turns out they were wrong. Recent genetic testing showed that many pink bourbon plants are actually much more closely related to Ethiopian coffee varieties than traditional bourbon. That unexpected discovery may explain why the flavor is so unique. Instead of the classic chocolate and caramel notes found in many coffees, pink bourbon often produces bright flavors like peach, raspberry, mango, passion fruit, citrus, jasmine, and floral honey. So where's all that fruit flavor come from? It isn't because the beans contain fruit juice. The secret lies in hundreds of aromatic compounds created while the coffee cherries grow. The plant's genetics, the altitude where it's grown, the climate, the soil, and careful processing all influence which flavor compound develop. Many pink bourbon coffees are grown high in the Colombian Andes, where cool temperatures slow the ripening of the cherries. That longer growing season allows sugars and complex organic compounds to develop more fully before harvest. After picking, many farmers use carefully controlled washed or natural processing methods that preserve those delicate fruity characteristics. The roasting process also plays a huge role. Most roasters use a light roast for pink bourbon. A darker roast would cover up many of the floral and fruit notes with heavier chocolate and smoky flavors. If you've only ever tasted supermarket coffee, pink bourbon can be shocking. Many first-time drinkers think someone added fruit flavoring. In reality, those flavors developed naturally inside the coffee bean. Because the plants produce lower yields and require careful growing conditions, pink bourbon is considered one of the more expensive specialty coffees. But many coffee enthusiasts believe the remarkable flavor is worth every penny. Have you ever tried pink bourbon coffee? Did you actually taste the fruit everyone talks about, or do you think it's overhyped? Let everyone know in the comments. If you're enjoying learning the science behind coffee and discovering rare beans from around the world, consider subscribing to the Coffee Corner. New videos help you make better coffee and understand what's really in your cup. Thanks for watching the Coffee Corner, and I'll see you in the next video.